welcome on my YouTube channel. So, dear friends, I have now here on the table, I can say, legendary AlNiCo bass speakers, Gamma HiFi LA-1231 8 ohms, produced in Sweden. And I must say I'm disappointed because I have bought a box with these two bass speakers 5, 7, maybe 10 years ago, and when I tried it here, I saw that the bass speakers are both working and okay. And now I decided to dismount them and to put them here on the table, and in working condition is only one, so it's a pity. Yeah. Only one is working. The sound is really not bad. Pretty nice pieces with the textile cone surroundings. Pretty nice. And I have also dismounted this top cover to see what's inside and how does look like the magnet. So let's hear them. So both speakers are for sale, but this piece needs service. You will see them within a few hours on my website Angelicaaudio CZ on the page bass speakers. I found also the data sheet on internet, so I will make now some photos, and I also will copy this data sheet because the technical data are not so bad. 94 decibels, and the frequency range is from 25 up to 5000 Hertz. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel, and see the photos.